This next section is over wattage, and we need to know about wattage so we make sure that we're not plugging too many things into an outlet. Now this outlet we have here is a Japanese outlet. It only has two prongs, the neutral and the hot. To plug into this, you're going to need an adapter. The adapter has two prongs in it. On the other side, it has three prongs. Now even though it's an adapter, it's not grounded. So now I need to plug in a power strip because most likely I'm going to be plugging multiple things in here. So I plug the power strip into the adapter, which is in the outlet, and I now have 6 plugs I can put into. The first thing I'm going to plug in is a UPC cable. This is the female end of the UPC cable, and it's going to go into my speaker. And now I'm just going to simply turn it on. And I have power. Now I know I didn't have any problems. It's turned on, nothing's getting burned out. I know it's working fine because I've checked the back of the speaker and I know exactly the voltage and wattage capabilities of this speaker. If we look just below the power input, you have 120 volts. Next to it, it says 60 hertz and 320 watts. So this speaker pulls 320 watts. So how do I know that 320 watts is acceptable to be drawn out of this outlet? The first thing I can do is I go to my surge protector. I look on the back of it. And because of the lighting of this camera, you can't really see it, but it says around 1825 watts. What that means is up to 1800 watts can be pulled out of here. And I'm only using 320 of that 1800. So I still have about 1500 watts I can pull from it. Do I want to use all 1500 watts? No. Now if we look at this outlet, even though my my surge protector says 1800 watts, this outlet only pulls out 1500 watts. But even at that, I'm only using 320 of that 1500 watts, so I still have about 1100 watts. So I could plug in about, 3 more speakers to this outlet, and it would be fine.